Today I'm going to show you how to join your work in the round. Let's assume that I already have the required number of stitches on my needles. The first step, I need to cast on one more additional stitch. This stitch will drop later, so as a result, once your work is joined in the round, you will have your initial number of stitches. Done. Okay, the next step, you need to ensure that your work is not twisted very carefully. So we need to avoid the situations like this one. So check all your stitches. Then move your stitches closer to the needle tips and do the following. The next step, we need to move our first stitch from the left needle to the right needle. Then with the left needle, pick up the additional stitch that we casted on and pull the first stitch through the additional one and drop the stitch. Pull the yarn and transfer this stitch to the left needle and pull the yarn again. We can put a marker at the beginning of the row, and now we can work. I just want to pull yarn a little bit tighter. That's all. Thanks for watching.